Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe storms will be near Bartlett around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pingree Grove, South Elgin, and Barrington Hills. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building and away from windows. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hoffman Estates to near Geneva, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hoffman Estates, Barrington, Streamwood, Hanover Park, and Inverness around 6:40 p.m. Schaumburg, Palatine, Rolling Meadows, Roselle, Warrenville, and Medina around 6:45 p.m. Arlington Heights, Carroll Stream, Wheeling, Elk Grove Village, Prospect Heights, and Winfield around 6:50 p.m. Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Buffalo Grove, Glen Ellen, Lisle, Rosemont, O'Hare Airport, and Schiller Park around 6:55 p.m. Glenview, Lombard, Park Ridge, Addison, Northbrook, Westmont, Morton Grove, Villa Park, Harwood Heights, and York Center around 7 p.m. Skokie, Elmhurst, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Winnetka, Burr Ridge, Glencoe, Oak Brook, Northlake, and Clarendon Hills around 7:05 p.m. Chicago, Evanston, Wilmette, Greenwood, Brookfield, Westchester, LaGrange, Melrose Park, Bellwood, and Western Springs around 7:10 p.m. Berwyn, Oak Park, Forest Park, Justice, River Forest, Summit, Lyons, Riverside, and North Riverside around 7:15 p.m. This is NOAA.